Hello and welcome to Retro Bike Stuff, and today we're looking at a Suzuki GT250 twin two-stroke with a few little extra bits done on it. It's just in from Germany. It's 1977, running and driving really nicely, stopping, starting, electrics, everything working. Really nice little bike, a few little things to go over. We'll start with the front tyre. Front tyre is in good condition, no cracking and plenty of thread left. Front mudguard is chrome, no pitting in the front chrome at all. Same with the front forks, they've been chromed. That's an aftermarket touch as well. Really good job though done on it. Front disc, it looks like it's in good condition as well, no lipping. Left and right hand side here you'll see on the forks. Front headlamp and the two indicators are also in really nice condition, and the indicators and the headlamp are original. Chroming again on the levers, mirrors, and both hand sides, as well as the inspring clusters. As you can see, twin exhaust system is really nice condition, no signs of any rusting up the top really. And throughout the right hand side exhaust here. Tank here on the right hand side overall is in really nice condition. It's a metallic, and when it's sunny out, unlike it is now, the sun really brings out the metallic finish. We do have a dent here on the front right, but it's fairly hard to see when looking at it normally. Chroming on the right hand side is some signs of pitting, very slight. Right hand side shock here as well. Spokes good condition, as well as the chrome wheels. Indicators the rear as well as the rear brake light are original, 1977. The chain guard, I should say, has been chromed as well and is in nice condition. The rear shock here as well, also in good condition. The exhaust as well, no signs of pitting. Slight little mark here on the left hand side exhaust. Aftermarket pegs on either side, as well as the pillion pegs. Chroming on the left hand side of the engine is in nice condition as well. Some very minor signs of the pitting here too. Kickstart, as you can see on the left hand side. Side panels are original and in good condition, no cracking or anything like that to be seen. Left hand side tank is in really nice condition, as well as Suzuki badging. Chromed fuel cap, I should say, all really good. And 26,808 kilometers, not miles now, that's kilometers. So overall, really nice condition Suzuki GT250. Getting quite rare now and hard to find in any sort of condition, and this one is as I would call a very good condition bike and a good running bike. So we'll now go on to the ride along video. Okay, so we're on to the Suzuki GT250 two-stroke twin. First thing you'll do is make sure the petrol's on. I have it on reserve. You'll see the little circle to put it on reserve, on, or whatever it is. Kickstart is done usually on the left hand side. Make sure the ignition is on and kick right the way through. I may need to have a bit of choke on. There we are. Run her for a bit with the choke on. Let's run a bit more on the choke there. Iron mace. There we are, and away we go. And here we are, we're off onto the races, and we're going in around the stage here. I might just turn off the choke now while I get a bit of a straight line here. If there's no, if there isn't any cars coming, I'm just going to make sure there's no children ahead of me now. And we're going to turn right here and up the hill into first gear. Make sure no one's coming, and away we go. He appreciated it. He knows what these little things are like. Beautiful bike, real 70s, such a 70s bike. I wish I could give it a proper run, but obviously I'm in and around an estate here. People would get quite annoyed with bikes, you know, going up and down the estate the whole time, so I do have to take it easy on the speed, lads. I know there's a few you in the comment section with the speed merchants going, "Oh, give her some welly." I want to hear her. There's not much I can do. I can go out onto the road, but the minute with the pandemic, sorry to say the word, but it's just, the traffic is just unbelievable, and there's just nothing you can do. You can go out, you'll go out to the road, you'll just be watching me in traffic for the next 10 minutes, so there's no point in that. I think this is the best happy medium kind of thing. You see what the bike is like, and I get to ride it at somewhat of a capacity, you know, not something not something too crazy. And we're turning left here. I should have probably repositioned my mirrors a bit better, but again, we weren't going out onto the bike needs to be ridden. You can feel it. And we're going to go into the left here. Now put it on the main stand now. Here we are. I wonder if maybe I'm on the wrong way for where choke is meant to be. I think we're running fairly low on petrol, to be honest. Anyway, I'll just keep her running just to see if we can see the lights working. That was the parking light. There we go. Well, you can see it now. There's the front light working. I'm not going to try to leave the ignition on too long, just with there's the indicators working, as you can see there. Other side working as well. With a real run, this bike will be perfect. That's all it needs. Well, that's how she is, that's how she sits. Really, really nice. Stopping, starting, going, all that kind of stuff. It'll tick over just once you get a bit of fuel through it. It's just the usuals with these older 70s bikes. They need to be driven. They can't just be left in the corner. But there she is. Really rare bike, genuine GT250. A few little modifications to the front end with the chroming and then the side panels, and not side panels, but the engine area and stuff like that, but nothing too major. That's kind of been it for this video. Thanks for watching on the GT250. If you do want to reach out to us, we do have social medias at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. We'll answer any of your questions on any of our bikes there. Also, we do have our official website, www.retrobikesdublin.com, where you can go and see our stock. Also, there is down below the listing for this advert in general. If the bike is not there on the done deal URL, it means the bike is usually sold. Okay, so that's really been it for this video. If you could leave a like, comment and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. We're nearly at 3,000 likes. I'll just give her one last kick, make sure she's still going, and we turn on the ignition and we go. Well, that's been it for this video. Thanks for watching.